What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell somebody, tell everybody, because we're Liddy over here. Without further ado, y'all know it's the announcement of the winners. Y'all, shout out to everybody that participated, and y'all know we're going to have more giveaways in the future, so no sore losers over here. And without further ado, for our first winner, congratulations to Cynthia7445. You are the winner, girl. So make sure you definitely send me your mailing information and give me about a week, and then you'll definitely be receiving your stuff. And then the next winner is Cena. Girl, what's happening there? What's up? What's up? What's up, Cena? Cena, girl. Cena is one of our original family members, y'all. Shout out to her. And, yeah, you're a winner too, girl. So shout out to Cynthia and Cena. Y'all are both the winners of the jury. I guess whoever send me a message first through, it'll be somewhere on the screen of my email. Send me, I guess whoever send me first, which set you want, because it's 2 sets. So just let me know whoever's first, and then whoever's second, you get the remainder. But yes, just send it to my email. Send me your mailing information. Give me about a week, and yeah. Thank you guys. I love y'all. Everybody that's always supported me. Man, y'all the best. So definitely, y'all, be on the lookout for future stuff. Y'all, I'm just saying. Be on the lookout. See ya. Bye.